The Frigidaire air damper control assembly is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part designed and engineered to exact specifications. Frigidaire air damper control assembly controls the cold airflow from the freezer compartment into the refrigerator compartment. Frigidaire 242,303,001 is for refrigerators. The high-quality Frigidaire air damper control assembly replaces 3,016,452, PS 8,746,718. With Frigidaire, you can be sure you'll receive effortless features and quality materials, giving you the highest quality performance for the life of your appliances. The high-quality Frigidaire air damper control assembly, 242,303,001, controls the cold airflow from the freezer compartment into the refrigerator compartment. The air damper control assembly is for refrigerators and replaces 3,016,452, PS 8,746,718. Please be aware that it is recommended to use safety equipment and to disconnect the appliance from all utilities prior to any service or repair. Please refer to your owner's manual to confirm part numbers and for instructions, as some repairs require a trained service professional to complete. Top reviews from the United States. Easy fix for DIY hubby. Husband watched a few videos online, ordered the part, it arrived in 2 days, he installed it in about 10 minutes and saved us from buying a new fridge.